Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to use application insight of Azure to track the changes and the errors in the Power Apps. In this video, you will learn the trace function in Power Apps, how to create the app insights, as well as how to trace the errors in the Power Apps. Okay. So all these things you will learn in this video. Let's without wasting too much time, let's go to the Azure portal and create the application insights. So friends, first step is to create the application insight. Okay. So let's I go and search here for the application insight. Then we can create the new application insight by clicking on the create. Then just select the resource group. If so, I'm selecting my resource group here. Let's provide the your app name. So here is my app name is SharePoint lookup column. We can remove this space. Okay. Then we need to select the region where we need to store our application inside. So we can select the region anyone. So I am from the central India. So let's I select here central India. Then here we have the subscription type. Okay. We can select and just simply click on the review and create here. We can see on the next tag, okay, what is present here. No need to fill this, okay. Just at the end, simply review and create. So it is doing some validation. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Validations are passed. Let's click on the create. So our application insights are creating now. It is submitting for the deployment. This is a start time. This is the correlation ID and this is our subscription. Okay, it is in deployment, it is in progress. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Let's go to the resource and here we will get the instrumental key and connection string here. Okay, so let's copy the instrumental key here and let's go to the make dot power apps. Okay, in the edit mode and simply on the app object property, here we have the connection string. Just paste the connection string. Okay, it is the instrumental id we needed and then save and publish your power apps application. Then only it will track the changes in your power apps. Okay, so I'm saving my power apps and click on the publish this version and then you can also on the on error property of your power apps you want to trace the errors. Okay, so for that purpose you can use this message. Okay, let's say go to app on error property. Okay, on error property in this way notify, so user can be notified and we will use the trace function. Okay, in the trace function we will use unhandled error as object and trace all the errors. Okay, in this way and also we will get all the information and then you just need to publish the power app and open the power apps in the play newer version is coming. So let's I do the refresh, click on button. Let's do some create some errors. Okay, here I just created divide function. Okay, once on this button users click, it will not divide and create error. It will log in the Azure apps insight. Okay, so here you can see it is a divide operation it perform and we will get the value here. So all the errors that we have done, we can be view those errors in the logs. Okay, activity log. Let's go to the activity log, and in activity log we need to go to the logs. So all the logs will reflect here. Okay, currently I'm using the two different tenants. Okay, one is the learn one for the learning purpose. Okay, and my actual one is different one, so that's why we are not getting here any logs, but the process is same. You can follow this, and here you can be see the app inside here. Okay, 4 minutes ago we are started, and that's all friends. If you have any question, any doubt, you can be asked me in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring new things.